struggling with prop firms? Let's go.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Don Aslam. I'm a 700k funded trader, and this, guys, is not backtested data. This is actually the results for today. Today's trade has taken place. GJ. If I let me show you the mentorship Discord community. I even posted there. Had 5 wins, 4 losses, and first of all, make sure you like, subscribe, share, comment. I reply to all my comments, bearing in mind if it's a not a silly comment. You do get the odd one of you. 1 or 2, sorry. For 5 wins, 4 losses, 0.5% risk per trade, and it was only aiming for a 2.5. Now why? Someone left a message. I tend to go a bit off track. I don't like to have everything in bullet points and all that. I know it's very fair enough, being organized, but me personally, guys, it's about being, I like to, if you see my videos, they don't be super edited, they don't have all this glamour stuff. Raw, right? It has to be, I like it when it's raw, when I just come straight to my computer and I just start speaking. And that's, I think it's a form of transparency. But okay, one of the students here passed his phase 1. Huge props to him. So I can't remember if he's ever passed any. I think he said he's never passed a prop firm challenge before. It's his first time, or if he's passed a one in the past, this is the first time he's ever done, at least with having knowing where you're entering from, why you're entering, most importantly. And okay, so a student mentioned, another student, normally we aim for 1 to 4, 1 to 5, with GJ would be my bread and butter for years. And they dropped the question of, let's just aim for 2.5. It doesn't have to be something insane. So for, hey, that's maybe, it's a good idea. Let's just see what the win rate would be, right? And these trades over here, even though I marked this green, just so that you know this is happening right now, but it's these trades here, these 3 wins, 1 loss, and this current one that's live. I'm not taking any of these. I ended my session, I believe, after basically, if you're probably thinking, why do I have all this here? I do my back testing, forward testing, everything, trading view. So if I place a trade and I lose a trade, I'll just place my trade here, if I've lost or won, and then I'll just move over to the next, move over to the next trade. And then of course I like journaling, then put in Excel. As you can see, last 500, 400 days of collected data. So I do the homework as well, guys. It's not just, I'm going into the previous days. But anyways, 1 to 2, right? Simple 8 pip stop loss, right? Simple 8 pip stop loss. I'm aiming for a nice 2.5. As you can see, this game is all about key levels. If you watch the pros, the institutional level traders, the guys on Wall Street, the guy traded on the who trade on the floor, they all, they always mention the importance of key levels. even if you look at the previous day, look at this. These are going to 1 to 3s, 1 to 2.5 easy, 1 to 3.5. 2.5 is super easy, right? 2.5, 2.5, and this would have been a huge day yesterday, and just 2 losses in the end. But then okay, I just quickly marked out my other levels, and I thought, let me just do quickly some back testing. So I back tested like the previous, I would say, about 100 trades, and then I thought, it's good to go. Each day was ending with a positive result, so I thought, okay, I'll just stick with this one. I just try it out today, and of course the trades worked out really nicely. And that's when another student, I'll just show you. By the way, if you are interested in a one-to-one mentorship, guys, link will be in the video description. Students passing their challenges, and let me just see where I shared it. I believe it was the chat. This is another student of mine, just took 3 trades, up 3 RR. Just I was in a one-to-one call with him, sharing a few trade managing a live trade. I'm not a strong believer of anymore, set and forget. This was time frames. I've been using the 15-minute for this method, and it's working out quite nicely. Now, of course, I can even post my strategy, guys, in an article which can get published tomorrow. Will that make you profitable? Absolutely not. There's a few things, of course, I mention to my students, tips and tricks about this that gives you an edge over the market. That only say if you are mentorship. But if you are interested of joining, link will be in the video description. I do ask a few questions. So let's just go over what happened today, right? Let's just quickly go over what happened today. I saw a, let's go in a smaller time frame. Let's go on the 30 minutes. As you can see, I'm using time frames and normally not people did avoid. Normally what are the most famous ones? 5 minute, 1 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, monthly, etc. So these smaller time frames, I do have them on for a reason. And then I just look for certain criteria of entry, and then I just take my position. Now if you look at this, let's just do the maths here, right? Let's just say we're on a phase 1, right? 2.5. I'm risking, forget risking 1%, because there's a trade risk management method I normally show, but forget, we're not risking 1% per trade. We have to create a bit of a buffer first. We're going to risk 0.5%, so now I'm up 1.25%. I've lost my next trade, I've lost 0.5%. Right, I gain another 2.5, 2.55. Now if we do the maths, right, so I've gained in total, let's see, 5%, well sorry, 10%, actually 2.5, 2.5, 10%, and then you got a half year, of course, 5%, you're only risking 0.5%, and then minus this, so we're up 4.5%. Then we lose 2 trades, now we're up 3.5, win again. Now we are up around, maths is right, 4.2, 4.7, something like that. And then 2 losses again, we lose 1%, 3.5. And then if you was to catch these 2 again, that's 5%, guys. You know, that's 8%, I believe. So, well, a little over 8%. And then another 2.5, well, this is, yeah, another 2.5. Challenge finished, guys, in 1 day, in 1 day. I'm not even going for big haymakers, you know. And as you can see, even this one here, this would be running a little bit in profit, bearing in mind it's a Friday, market's moving very slow, end of the week. But I mean, it's all about key levels this game, guys. It's what I show to my students, and not having zero stress of the fact, you know, like the entry method is super simple. I mentioned this to, I mean, the students, any of the students who are watching, they know exactly what I'm talking about. This is another 3.6, 2.5, 3.5, another 2.6, 2.4, and 2.5. Now if I'll just go over a bit of, you know, how we normally trade on a day-to-day basis, but yeah, you know, nothing to do with any back testing or anything like that. This is something that just basically happened today. Yeah, hope you found some value from this video. Hope you enjoy your weekend too, and if you are interested in joining the one-to-one link description, hit me up. Take care, and I'm out.